Hey guys, I'm back again for day 4 of Christmas makeup. Today's look is gonna be, I just got out the shower, is gonna be with the Bratz palette. I got the Sasha palette. So yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's super cute. I think we're gonna do like a, kind of like a Christmas tree. Like it's gonna be like green and brown. Something like that. Something simple and easy. I don't know. But yeah. Into it. So yeah. I think I'm gonna just do like green all over the lid and maybe like a little bit of brown or something. Yeah. Go in with this camo shade. This mirror's kind of awkward. I'm doing the same on the other eye. Just going in. Going all over. Some brown, kind of like eyeliner, but it's gonna be like a brown color. Look at this, that brown color. This lighting is horrible. I can't even really see it. I don't know. I'm trying. Okay. Doing the same on the other eye. go like these I don't know, like these like shimmery gold shades. Kind of want to do something like those. No plans for this. I'm just like messing around at this point. Just messing around. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with like this color. Happens when I do my makeup sometimes. Sometimes my eyes won't water, and then sometimes I just go crazy. I kind of want to go in with this shade, like in the corner. Like, just dot it on there. Interesting look for today. I mean, I kind of like it. I'm obviously gonna do a red lip again. Mascara from Dollar Tree. It's like it kind of looks like Christmas lights. Now that I look at it, it looks more like Christmas lights. It's kind of cute. Just gonna put on some red lipstick and call it good. I'm already getting mascara everywhere because my eyes are just not wanting to stop watering. Kind of cute. Now that it's all together. So yeah, today's kind of gives me like Christmas light vibes, maybe. It's kind of cute. Okay, bye.